Today we are changing seat belt, rear seat belt for Nissan Leaf 2023. Place the belt, you need to take the seat out. So I struggled. First, when I was trying to pull, it wasn't coming out. I was worried maybe there's some sort of lock or something, but there's nothing. You just pull with your little force and it come out.
Okay.
And these are this and that
Okay.
goes in here. One is here, middle of the one driver side rear seat, and one is on the passenger side rear seat. You just jack it and it comes out. Once it comes out, next job, you need to take this out.
Yeah, like the rubber.
The rubber. Then on the back side, take this rubber out and this. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fastener. You just use screwdriver or some sort of prying bar and take them out. It comes out like this. Then because seat belt behind this panel, you can to open the top screw, you need to open this, but again you can't do it, so you need to, seat belt is in here, so then you need to remove this. So after removing this middle bit, just if you take these two fastener out, and then if you push upward, it comes out.
Okay.
Once this comes out, then it's easy to move this out of the way. Then there's one nut in the bottom which I already took off, and the one is on top.
Okay.
So simply just remove these
So
two
there are
nuts,
two.
take this out. Third nut is here, and one nut is over here. So this nut is coming from there. Okay? From there.
Okay, yeah.
After undoing these 4 nuts, the seat belts comes out. So after unscrewing the nuts, both nuts came out, and before we take that out, just to make life easier to put right way, just put this hook in there, and those two holes, these red hooks goes in there, and it sits there. So, and then that goes there. Okay, so I have done this side. The belt is on. Just done everything reverse to put that seat belt back on. So it's on now. I'm doing rear passenger side, left side rear belt. So to do that, take this out, then these are the fastener. Take these fastener out, and from this side so once all the fastener out, then you just push this out. Maybe need this out as well, so then this comes out easily, because that cover hold it. So that clip was holding, not letting it come out. So after taking this out, this clip out, then this comes out. You need to take this cover out as well, otherwise this come in the way. So that cover, if you take that cover off, then it's open up. So it's best to keep these separate as well. Otherwise, if you if you leave them together, and then it's all in the way. So once they are separated, then you got more room to work with. So there is seat belt. So again, open 1, 2, and one bottom nut, and one right there underneath the seat. So these 4 nuts, once they open, the seat belt come out. So this, the bottom one, loosen it up. So bottom one is 14 mm, and other one is, the top one is 10 mm. So then just undo with the hand and it's done. Same with the top one, I should have opened same time when I loosened this as well. And this one. From that side. This one over there. So this there. It's already opened. Yeah, that's it. It's best to connect this before you screw in the seat belt main part. So it's best to connect it, because the last one I did that before connecting. Then because it goes inside here behind like this, and it's very difficult to connect it, then you have to reopen it. So it's best to always do it before you tighten the nuts up. So 10 ml goes here. $14 ml goes there. So this is the top nut. So we already done 2 there. And these need tightening up. This one, just take this out, and just feed through here. Bring this buckle just a little twist and bring this out. Once this out, come over this side. Karen, come over this side. Yeah? To bring it from there, just it's best to put the seat belt on, so you don't have any tangling or whatever you call it. So then one screw over here.
Yeah.
So tighten this, and that's it.
Okay.
Okay. So just make sure you know everything is clear. Then just tighten this up. Yeah. So tight this. Once all the nuts are tightened it up, then just put these trimmings like these back. Everything clip it on. Once those clip it on, this middle bit here, and it's all done.